watching Twist and Shout, the University Edition. So far, the red team is in the lead, but this round is worth 2 points because it's a round 2. All you need to do right now is relax in this particular weapon of mass distraction.
Really?
It's such an easy task.
Really?
While
What is it
sing,
called?
you will get the massage.
Si Cheska of the red team, siya ang mauuna.
Cheska is an internet savvy and admits that she can't last a day without using her computer.
She may be young, pero matikan na siyang maituturing sa mga singing contests.
To sing Panalangin, here's
Yes!
Cheska from UE Coral, the red team. Hi-ho! Look at the way they get into it.
Nalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. Mapayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong tingin. At wala nang iba pang mas mahalaga. Tamis na tulog ng pag-ibig natin dalawa. Basta na naman makikinig ka. Sasabihin, minamahal kita.
Let's go with it, Cheska. From UE.
Nalan ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. Papayag ang pusong ito. May hindi pa yung kilikili ko. Mahal ko iyong tingin. Woo! Sarap! Yung kilikili ko maitim. Panalangin.
Hold on, Cheska.
Panalangin.
Cheska, you survived. Thank you, Vanjie, for that wonderful massage. You can pick up the rest of your body at the principal's office. Let's find out more about the blue team's Francis Leha.
The girl with the soprano voice. Frances is also a scholar sa PUP bilang entrance artist.
She is the only student who has consistently and consecutively won in the school singing contest 8 straight years to be exact.
To sing Hawak Kamay. Si Francis Lea from PUP Bagong Himig sa Ranana, Blue Team, Die Ho!
Okay, let go.
Minsan madaramdaman
Where is the rest of you?
kaibigan ng problema. Minsan mahihirapan ka at masasabi di ko na kaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakali may masaman. Di kaya ako tawagin. Malaman mong kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundong
from both PUP, UE. Let's hear the noise that you can make as we rewind the tape.
Nag-enjoy talaga
Watch this.
ako.
All right, let's find out who gets the 2 points. Isa, please.
What I liked about Cheska's performance, yung kanta niya, panalangin, parang panalangin ko sa habang buhay. Talagang may, alam mo, parang napakaganda na ginawa niya nung sa first part na parang may kinakantahan siya na parang panalangin ko sa habang buhay na makasama ka, ganyan. Kaso, eto na, dumating na yung masahihan na parte. Medyo, nararamdaman ko na yung boses niya na, mga gano'n, mga gano'n na eh. So, yun yung medyo naging problema. Dito naman kay Frances, tama ba? Frances.
Francis Leia.
Sa simula, I thought mali yung choice ng kanta mo. Pero nung nagsimula ng tumaas yung hawak kamay, pumasok ka na sa chorus, nakita ko na ang strength mo pala is sa mataas, sa high notes. And ang gusto ko rin sa performance mo is kahit naiipit ka na at binabakli-bakli ka na, hindi nagpa-falter yung boses mo. So, dahil doon, ang 2 points ko ay mapupunta kay Frances ng Blue Team.
Okay. Okay, baby.
2 points para sa PUP, Blue Team. Jimmy.
Alam mo, ngayon ko lang sasabihin to sa babae sa buong buhay ko, Cheska. Ngayon lang, sa buong buhay ko, mabuti naman ang kilikili mo ah. Kaya kanina, hindi ito, talagang gusto kong punayin yung sinabi mo twice, no? Kumbaga nako-conscious ka, ibig sabihin. And at the same time, maganda naman yung boses mo. If you had, there are times na tama yun, i-acknowledge mo yung, yung palagay mong baka napapansin ng audience na negative, but not always. But kailangan ko minsan kumpiyansa din. Alam mo, Frances Leia, ang gusto ko lang talaga sa'yo, tama si Isa, ang baba ng boss mo, pero you focused all the way until the end yung pagkakita mo. So, Cheska, you're a beautiful girl, but my 2 points have to go to Frances.
Yeah, you're still a beautiful girl, Cheska. No problem. Only you don't have any more
Of
points.
the blue team!
Of the Blue Team.
Of the Blue Team!
Okay, of the
Yes,
Blue Team.
thank you.
Star Wars of the blue team!
But PUP is maroon, right?
Yes.
Okay, just want you to know, we didn't make them blue for any other reason because we can't afford maroon pom-poms. Okay.
Agot.
Cheska, yun nga, noong una nag-enjoy kang kumanta. Tapos eto na, nakikita ko, nagpapanik ka na. Tapos si Frances Leia naman, noong umpisa, tama si Isa, medyo parang mababa yung song for you on the first part. But then, maganda yung high notes mo. And I could see na nag-enjoy ka na sa masahe kasi nga, enjoy mo sa pagkanta mo. That's why my 2 points will go definitely to, ano yun? Blue Team.
It's okay, Cheska.
Now, for the Red Team. Red Team naman na nakakuha ng 0 points. Blue Team nakakuha ng lahat ng points para sa round na to. 6 points. Ang overall standing lamang ngayon. Ang PUP o ang Blue
See
Team
how that
with
works?
6 points. Pero alam ng UE. Nako na, alam ko ng UE. Talagang magagaling sa mga sports yan eh. Sa competition eh.
Second half team.
Kaya kahit 3 points lang sila, may third round pa. Kaya alam nila to. Lahat yan sa pagbabalik ng Twist and Shout!
Thank you, Cheska. I'm Princess Leia.
The Twisting and Shouting continues.